format the memory card. Please connect the app to update time.
Anything else? The Avapow single dash cam. This is a good thing to have. I really prefer myself a two-way camera, or in this car, which is a lesson car, I have a four-way camera. I'm going a little over the top with it. I also install dash cameras, and this is coming in for one of my clients. They wanted something that was smaller and did not take up the same kind of real estate like the majority of cameras in the market right now. And that's where this little guy came in. This little cutie takes and he masks in very easy, very unnoticeably. Once you have him installed, I'm just not going to be gluing the adhesive right now. You can rotate it on its own axis. You have a little screen here in the back, so you do have access to, but really that is more of just an indulgence. You have Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can connect it to your phone, and it's so much easier to be viewing it on the phone. It does talk quite a bit, which for me, I'm not a fan. All my cameras do that. I shut that off on them. But above all, what I was looking for, and I insisted the client did have, was something that already included an SD card, which also is going to have nice 4K vision, Wi-Fi connectivity, parking mode. And why I liked their camera, why I went for Avapow, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, is that they also send you a hardwire kit. Now they send you the simple one that goes into the AC outlet in case you don't want to be fussing with all this, but this is awesome. I love this because usually people need to buy this separately. It's another 20 bucks. You're worried about, is it going to match your camera? Because I've heard some bad stories there. This is the original one for this camera. You have the 3 wires to enable just regular option and parking mode, so you have peace of mind while it's parked. So overall, inexpensive, small, discreet, does have the majority of functionality that all the cameras, the expensive ones, have these days. So if you don't have a dash camera, this is a good place to start. It doesn't cost much, it's easy to install, and even if you pay someone to do it, a single camera, usually you get everything you need to install it, whether it's gonna be a simple installation with just a cigarette lighter, or you wanna do the hardwire kit, and even if you don't wanna do it, I'm sure you could find someone to do it for cheap. It's a single camera, there's not much wiring that needs to be done. It's gonna be small, indiscreet, honestly, good option to have. Stay safe on the road, don't take any unnecessary risks.